If you've just bought or are planning to buy AirPods 4, one of the most common questions is what exactly comes inside the box, especially when it comes to charging accessories. Many users expect both a cable and a power adapter to be included, but packaging has changed over time, and it's not always as straightforward as it used to be. This can lead to confusion when you open the box and don't see everything you expected. Apple has shifted toward a more minimal approach, which means some items may no longer be included. Understanding what you actually get and what you might need separately helps you avoid surprises and ensures you're ready to charge your AirPods right away. Try these. Step 1. Open the AirPods 4 box and check the included contents. Step 2. Look for a charging cable. Step 3. Note that a power adapter is typically not included in the box. Step 4. Use an existing USB-C power adapter or charging port to plug in the cable. Step 5. Alternatively, use a wireless charger if your case supports it. Step 6. Connect and confirm charging using the case status light.